Okay, good morning, ma'am. Good morning, friends. So we from group one, we would like to do a simulation from our lesson plan. So before that, we would like to introduce ourselves. So my name is Aileen Cirena, and then my friends.
My name is Luciantari.
And my name is Ciri Artaguni.
And now we would like to start our simulation. Okay, hello students. Such a nice day today, right? So how are you today? What do you feel today?
I'm good, Miss.
I'm fine, Miss. Thank you. And you?
Oh, Miss feels so happy and also healthy today. Thank you for asking me, Ciri. And then before we start our class today, it's really great for us to pray to the God, right? Jadi sebelum kita mulai pelajaran, ada baik kita memulainya dengan doa agar pelajaran kita lancar hari ini. So Miss will lead our pray today. So praying start. Finish. And then now Miss will check your attendance. So is there anybody absent today? Apakah ada yang absen hari ini?
No, Miss.
Okay, good. So all the students in this class is absent, right? Miss, there are 20 beautiful girls and also 20 beautiful. 20 handsome boys in this class. Miss want to ask an opinion from Ciri. Ciri, what do you think? Who is the most beautiful girl in this class?
I think Siantari is beautiful.
Wow, Siantari. So Ciri stated that you are the most beautiful girl in this class. Jadi Siantari adalah cewek tercantik di kelas ini menurut Ciri. How about Siantari? Siantari, who do you think the most handsome boy is in this class?
I think Ciri, Miss.
Nice. Okay, thank you Siantari and Ciri. So, and next Miss would like to show you a picture. Where is the picture? Okay. Can everyone see my share screen?
Yes, Miss.
How about the other?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Okay, Siantari, can you explain to Miss what you see in this picture?
I see a book, Miss. Saya perlu mendeskripsikan, Miss.
Of course, it's good. Tolong jelaskan, apa sih ciri-cirinya?
I see a book with a black cover, and also I think it's a big book, and then I think this is a buku catatan, Miss.
Good, Siantari. So it's right. This is a notebook with black cover, and also the shape is rectangle. Okay, next picture. How about Ciri? Can you explain to Miss what do you see in the picture? Can you see the picture?
Menurut saya, I see a pen, Miss,
Yeah.
with a red color, and dan memiliki silver.
Okay, good. Good explanation, Ciri and Siantari. Thank you so much. So from our discussion before, and also from the picture that you have already explained, dari foto-foto yang telah kalian jelaskan barusan dan diskusi yang telah kita lakukan barusan, that is the activity when we describe people and also objects. So today's lessons is about describe something, and especially we would like to describe people and also describe object. So jadi kita akan mempelajari mengenai cara mendeskripsikan orang dan juga benda. Jadi agar kita bisa tahu bagaimana cara menjelaskan ciri-ciri dari sebuah benda, dari orang lain, ketika kita mempelajari apa yang akan kita pelajari hari ini. Okay, so for the next material will be explained by Miss Yantari. Miss Yantari, time is yours.
Okay, everyone. Next, we will watching a video about describing people and object. Jadi, selanjutnya kita akan menonton video tentang bagaimana mendeskripsikan orang dan benda ya. Saat kalian menonton video, please focus on the video and make sure to take a note if you got the important information ya. Jika kalian sudah sangat fokus dengan menonton videonya, jadi jangan lupa untuk mencatat ya di buku tulis agar kalian memahami apa isi video dan kalian juga tahu informasi penting apa yang ada dalam video. Okay? Let's start watching the video.
Assalamualaikum.
Everyone,
Students,
is waiting
how are you
for
today?
the connection.
Wah, it sounds good. Semoga semuanya dalam keadaan sehat ya. Oke, sebelum memulai pembelajaran, kita berdoa terlebih dahulu. Dan anak-anak simak video pembelajaran ini dengan baik dan fokus ya. Semoga anak-anak bisa memahaminya dengan baik. Oke, kita hari ini akan belajar tentang describing people and object, atau yang artinya mendeskripsikan karakteristik seseorang dan suatu benda atau objek. Seperti apa sih jika kita mau menjelaskan tentang seseorang? Nah, pasti yang kita sebutkan yaitu ciri-cirinya. Misalnya, Ariana sangat cantik. Dalam bahasa Inggrisnya yaitu Ariana is beautiful. Atau untuk suatu objek, misalnya mobil ini mahal. Atau dalam bahasa Inggrisnya, this car is expensive. Nah, hari ini kita akan belajar tentang seperti itu ya. Mohon disimak dengan baik. Okay, now let's see the picture about describing people and repeat after me. Ikuti setelah Miss menyebutkan ya. Beautiful, artinya cantik. Handsome, artinya tampan. Ugly, artinya jelek. Fat, yaitu gemuk. Thin, artinya kurus. Short, artinya pendek. Okay, next. Tall, artinya tinggi. Short hair, artinya rambut pendek. Long hair, artinya rambut panjang. Black hair, artinya rambut hitam. Pointed nose, artinya hidung mancung. And flat nose, artinya hidung pesek. Oke, sekarang describing object. Kind, artinya baik. Sad, artinya sedih. Happy, artinya senang. Angry, artinya marah. Old, artinya tua. Young, artinya muda. Oke, lanjut ya. Boring, artinya bosan. Smart, artinya pintar. Stupid, artinya bodoh. Lazy, artinya malas. Rich, artinya kaya. Poor, artinya miskin. Nah, dengan menggunakan kosakata yang sudah kita sebutkan tadi, kita bisa membuat kalimat sederhana. Di sini Miss akan memberikan 3 contoh ya. Okay, now let's see the picture and repeat after me. Ikuti setelah Miss menyebutkan ya. The flower is beautiful. Artinya, bunga-bunga itu cantik. Next, Sehun is handsome. Artinya, Sehun tampan. Dan yang terakhir, my cat is cute. Artinya, kucingku lucu. Now let's see. I have 2 simple tasks. Miss punya 2 soal mudah. Coba tebak apa ya jawabannya? Soal yang pertama, Adi is young, but his grandfather is A. Fat, B. Angry, C. Old, D. Sad. Kira-kira apa ya jawabannya? Ya, betul. Jawabannya C. Old. Oke, next soal berikutnya. Bagas is fat, but Bagus is A. Thin, B. Tall, C. Lazy, D. Angry. Kira-kira apa jawabannya? Ya, betul. Jawabannya A. Thin. Okay, I think enough for this material. Miss
Okay, everyone. After watching video, please anybody what the information you read or you see in the description, on the description in the video. Jadi setelah menonton video, silakan satu orang siswa atau lebih bisa memberikan informasi apa yang kalian dapatkan atau kalian baca dalam video ya. Please, siapa mau?
Saya, Miss.
Ya, Aileen, ayo coba. Come on, Aileen.
Jadi, in the video we learn about how to describe people and also describe object. Jadi ada beautiful, handsome, thin, fat, dan lain-lain. That's all, Miss.
Great, thank you, Aileen, for the information. Next, move to Chiri. Chiri, can you give me one example to describe people or object? One. Come on, Chiri.
I think Andi young.
Andi is young. Then siapa yang dipakai perbandingan?
His friend.
Oh ya. Lagi contoh yang lain.
Andi tall and his friend is short.
Okay, good job. Okay, good job. Okay, everyone. Let me clarify. Okay. Based on the video, we have learned about how to describe people and also object. Ya, jadi dari video itu kita belajar bagaimana mendeskripsikan orang dan objek. Objek itu benda ya. Dan ada beberapa kosakata yang digunakan, yang sering digunakan untuk menunjukkan seperti handsome, beautiful, kind, fat, thin, taller, shorter, ya. Jadi itu beberapa kosakata yang digunakan. Oke. Next is want to share. Then you must to be choose the right explanation or identification of those. Jadi selanjutnya misalkan memberikan gambar, jadi kalian harus menjawab dan memberikan identifikasi atau deskripsi yang tepat terhadap gambar ini ya. Ditunjuk. Please share the screen. Okay. From 6 picture, you can choose only one. Ya, kalian memilih satu gambar yang ingin kalian deskripsikan. Di sana ada Sharon, ada William, ada Helen, ada Roger, ada Clary, ada Jim. Silakan pilih salah satu yang ingin kalian deskripsikan. Di bawah gambar sudah terdapat karakteristik atau ciri-ciri dari gambar. Okay, please describe this picture and I give you 10 minutes to identify. Then you write on your notebook. Ya, nanti and the next you will be present your work to your friends. Okay, everyone. I give you 10 minutes. Okay, time's up. Time's up. Who want to describe first?
Me.
Aileen or Chiri? Okay, Aileen. Which one of the picture that you want to describe?
I want to describe Sharon.
Okay, Sharon. Okay. Okay, go on, Aileen.
Sharon is a high school student. She is young. She is short, and she is slim. She has got short brown hair and brown eyes.
Okay, good job. Give applause. Give applause. Chiri, give applause to everyone. Everyone give applause to Aileen. That's correct. Yeah. Itu sudah benar mendeskripsikan tentang Sharon yang berumur 16 tahun dan sedang ada di jenjang high school. Who want to know, siapa tahu high school itu dalam Indonesia apa? Okay, high school is
SMA.
SMA, yes, SMA, because her age is 16 ya. Kalau SMP umurnya 16 tahun kan tidak masuk akal. Jadi dia sudah ada di jenjang SMA. Oke, next presenter. Siapa yang mau mendeskripsikan dari ke-6 gambar? Ciri. Can you describe one of these?
Baik, Miss. Saya
Oke, go on.
I choose William, Miss.
Okay, good choice. Ya, silakan
William,
deskripsikan.
handsome boy. He is young. He is tall and he is fat. He has long black hair and black eyes.
Okay, good job, Ciri. But I think in the picture, he has got short black hair ya, karena cowok nggak mungkin rambutnya sepanjangnya segitu ya. Mungkin dia kalau panjang akan sepanjang Charlie, itu berpanjang ya. Jadi Ciri sudah benar mendeskripsikan. Cuman kalau mungkin menurut Ciri kalau laki-laki sudah memiliki rambut melebihi dahi artinya panjang. No, in this picture the right answer is he has got short black hair. Okay, Ciri.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, good job, everyone. I think everyone have a good understanding to describe people. Okay, great answer. Now, I will invite you to describing your family, like your father, mother, or your brother and sister, or your favorite things, like storybook, album, on your favorite bag. Jadi, ini akan menunjuk kalian secara acak. Silakan ditulis bagaimana ciri-ciri dari anggota keluarga kalian ya. Nanti kalian akan mendeskripsikan ciri-ciri tersebut dan mempresentasikan kepada teman-teman kalian. Okay, everyone. So I give you 5 minutes to thinking about the characteristic of your father, your mother, your brother, or I think your favorite storybook ya, atau tas favorit kalian yang sering kalian pakai ya. Silakan dipikirkan apa yang ingin kalian deskripsikan. Okay, everyone?
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Okay, let's start to thinking. Okay, enough time, everyone. So, have you done to write your work? Have you finished, everyone?
I have, Miss.
Finish.
Okay. Okay, I think if before I learn first, so I move to Ciri first. Okay, Ciri, you want to describe someone or you want to describe object?
To describe my mother.
Okay, your mother, yeah, your lovely mother. Okay, Ciri, go on. Describe your mother.
All right. My mother is short and thin. She has long hair with black mixed white hair. She has black eyes and she's the most beautiful woman in the world.
Okay, Ciri, good job. Big applause to Ciri. Okay, what do you think, Aileen? Do you have same characteristic of your mother from Ciri explanation? Apakah ada kesamaan Ciri-cirinya ibunya Aileen dengan ibunya Ciri, bagaimana menurut Aileen?
Yes. My mother is a little bit fat, and also my mother has black hair and short hair.
Oke, ya, agak sedikit mirip ya, mempunyai rambut yang panjang ya. Tapi perbedaannya adalah ibunya Aileen agak sedikit berisi, bukan gemuk ya. It is called fresh ya. Jadi ibunya terlihat lebih fresh dari ibunya Ciri. Oke, the next presenter is Aileen. Aileen, you want to describe something, object or people?
I want to describe my father.
Your father, okay. Go on, Aileen.
So, my father is tall and a little bit fat also like my mother, and he has short black hair. He is old and he is handsome.
Yeah, of course, your father is handsome, okay. What about Chiri? Is that same the characteristic of your father from Aileen explanation or not? It's quite same.
My father is the most handsome man in the world.
Okay, your father is the most handsome man in the world. Okay, yeah, it's just a different characteristic, yeah, from your father and your and Aileen fathers. Okay, everyone. Good job, everyone have done to present and to describe people and also describe an object. Yeah, everyone have a good understanding. I know everyone have ending. Yeah. Oke, karena sudah semua paham, let's continue the material with Mr. Chiri. The time is yours.
All right, thanks for the opportunity given to me. So I think you have already done a great job and put so much attention and participate enough toward our lesson today. Karena kalian sudah berpartisipasi dan memberikan perhatian secara aktif berpartisipasi, jadi bagaimana menurut kalian setelah mengikuti serangkaian kegiatan? Do you think you understand the materials enough?
Yes, sir, of course.
All right then, let me give you a question. How much vocabulary do you get from describing activity? Tolong sebutkan kosakata apa saja yang kalian dapatkan setelah mengikuti serangkaian pembelajaran. Who can answer? Saya beri kesempatan ke semua siswa.
Saya, Pak.
All right, go ahead.
So we learn about beautiful is cantik, and also handsome is ganteng, and also tall is tinggi, and then fat is gemuk. I think that's all.
All right then, bagus. Those words are vocabularies for describing people. The other, please, maybe Siantari.
Yes, sir. To describing object, I think it is the vocabulary is tall, shorter, like tall, shorter. I think that's all to the describing objects, sir.
All right, excellent. You do a great job. Those are vocabulary for describing people. So today we have already learned about describing objects and things. Dalam mendeskripsikan objek dan benda-benda sekitar, kita bisa mengambil karakteristik atau ciri-ciri seperti bentuknya, their shape, warnanya, their color, ukurannya, their size, dan karakteristik lainnya. Alright, everyone, because you have already done a great job, I will give you an assignment as the reward as usual. Please listen carefully. Jadi sekarang saya akan memberikan kalian tugas, tolong dengarkannya baik-baik. So please find or decide your object. Let's say your idols. Then describe their appearance using the vocabularies that you obtained today. Saya ulangi dengan bahasa Indonesia. Tolong temukan atau tentukan objek yang dideskripsikan. Bisa kita ambil idola saja, misalnya Justin Bieber atau sebagainya. Jadi kalian mendeskripsikan idola berdasarkan penampilannya. The assignment will be collected in the next week. Jadi sediakan waktu setidaknya 30 menit per hari agar tugas kalian terlaksana dengan maksimal. Alright, karena sudah menunjukkan pengunjung waktu kelas, I think I will end the class today. Because our lesson, I think we should end our lesson by praying too. Jadi saya akan memimpin doa kalian ya. So before we end our lesson, let's pray together. Praying start. Finish. All right, everyone. Thank you for the attention and participation, and see you next week. Goodbye, student.
Goodbye, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, that's all about our simulation. Thank you for watching us, and goodbye.